Why we need vitamin C. Strong antioxidant that may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. May help battle high blood pressure. Fights heart disease risk factors, potentially lowering heart disease risk. Could reduce blood uric acid levels and help prevent gout attacks. Helps prevent iron deficiencies by improving iron absorption. Boosts immunity by helping white blood cells function better. Protects your memory and thinking as you age. Vitamin C source. New chapter, activated seafood complex. Description: made with organic vegetables and herbs. ICS Certified Organic. Probiotic, cultured nutrients. Whole food cultured vitamin C for immune support. Can be taken on an empty stomach. Dietary Supplement. Certified Organic by International Certification Services, Incorporated. Non-GMO Project Verified. 100% vegetarian. Gluten-free. Certified B Corporation. Immune support. Activated seafood complex contains whole food cultured vitamin C along with elderberry and organic astragalus to support healthy immune function. Antioxidant protection. Whole food cultured vitamin C combats oxidative stress and supports normal cell growth with complementary organic chamomile, organic schizandra and elderberry. Made with organic vegetables and herbs. New chapter: whole food probiotic cultured multis, more than food supplements, they're supplemental food. Suggested use: 1 tablet daily. Can be taken anytime, even on an empty stomach. Other ingredients: culture media, organic soy flour, organic gum acacia, organic Saccharomyces cerevisiae, organic orange peel powder, lactic acid bacteria, L. acidophilus, B. bifidum, L. ramosis, papain, deactivated, bromelain, deactivated and organic molasses, organic gum acacia, silicon dioxide, lac resin, carnauba wax, maltodextrin and magnesium carbonate. Contains fermented soy and fermented wheat as food source for Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Gluten-free. 100% vegetarian. No artificial flavors or colors. Warnings: as with any dietary or herbal supplement, you should advise your healthcare practitioner of the use of this product. If you are nursing, pregnant, or considering pregnancy, you should consult your healthcare professional prior to using this product. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.